Hello, welcome. This is Fun Online Maths, and today I'll be solving a question on matrices. Okay, you want to know how? Follow me. The determinant of the matrix, this is a 3 by 3 matrix, is what? That's the question. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 0, 1. Okay, so the way we look for determinant, you can discover that the way I drew it now is different from the original way it was drawn. Okay, the lines here means I'm looking for determinants, and this is how we work determinants. First and foremost, the sign that accompanies this is plus, then minus, then plus. I will tell you why I did that later. That's the first. And then secondly, I'll work with number one, sorry, this one first. I will have one. Then I'm going to have my mini determinants. Okay, so I have one. I'm going to break this and break this. Now, the upper side and the left hand side, I'm not going to consider them. So what I have here, I'm going to write them in here: 5, 6, 0, 1. All right. Now, 1 carried the sign positive, but since we don't need to write plus, I didn't write it. For 2, I'm going to write minus. I told you that's the reason why I put minus here. Minus 2. Then we have our mini determinant, our mini matrix. That's 2 by 2. So I'm going to clean this. However, 2 is at the top, so this line is still valid. Now, I'm going to draw another one. Just break out the row, the column, and the row for 2. And then we have 4, 6, 2, and 1. So what we do is to break out each column and each row. Whatever is left, you put it down here. And then lastly, plus, we have 3. We have our own matrix now. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove that. And the right hand side is gone because that's the column for 3. The top side is gone because that's the row. And so we have 4, 5, 2, and 0. Now let's solve it. Now for the first matrix, or for the first one, we have 1 already. And this is how we solve it. You're going to multiply this 5 by 1. Okay, so let me just write it. 5 times 1. I don't think that's clear enough. So that's 5 times 1 minus. Okay, so if you have multiplied this across this diagonal, you're going to subtract the other multiplication, which is 0 times 6. Then you close your bracket. Then minus 2, a new one. Multiply across the diagonal. 1 times 4 minus the other diagonal is 2 times 6. So minus 2 times 6. Lastly, plus 3 into 0 times 4 minus 2 times 5. Okay, so this is equal to 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 0 times 6 is 0. Minus 2. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 3. 0 times 4 is 0. Minus 2 times 5, which is 10. And then we have 1. 5 minus 0 is 5. Minus 2 into 4 minus 12 is minus 8. Plus 3 into 0 minus 10 is minus 10. So we want to open out our brackets. 1 times 5, that's 5. Minus 2 times minus 8. Minus times minus is plus. So this will be plus 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times minus 10 is minus 30. So we have 5 plus 16, which is 21, minus 30. So our determinant is 21 minus 30, which is minus 9. That's my final answer. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video and share it. And then to meet again, it's goodbye from me.